High school is an exciting adventure. You'll meet new people and explore different subjects. It's a time of discovery and growth, where every day brings something new. Each classroom is like a new world with its own guide, your teacher. They are there to help you navigate through the complexities of each subject. Just like no two worlds are the same, no two teachers are the same either. Each brings their own unique approach and personality to the classroom. You'll encounter teachers who love lectures, filling the board with information. They might dive deep into theories and concepts. Others might prefer hands-on activities and experiments, encouraging you to explore and experiment. Some teachers love a lively debate, fostering an environment where ideas can be exchanged freely and critically. This variety might seem confusing at first, but it's actually a fantastic opportunity. It allows you to experience different ways of learning and find what works best for you. It prepares you for the real world, where you'll encounter diverse people and situations. Learning to adapt to different teaching styles helps you become more flexible and open-minded. Why is it good to have different teachers with different styles? Think of it like learning a new language or playing a new sport. Each new experience broadens your horizons and enhances your skills. Each experience teaches you something valuable. It's not just about the subject matter, but also about how you approach learning. One teacher might help you become a better listener, honing your ability to absorb and process information. Another might push you to be more creative, encouraging you to think outside the box and explore new ideas. This adaptability is crucial for success, not just in school but also in life. By learning to adapt in high school, you're building a strong foundation for your future. The key to thriving in this diverse learning environment is to develop effective strategies. First, organization is key. Without it, you might find yourself overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks and information. Keep a planner to track assignments and deadlines. This simple tool can help you stay on top of your workload and ensure you never miss an important due date. Color code notes for each subject to find information quickly. This method not only makes your notes visually appealing but also helps in better retention and recall of information. Experiment with different note-taking methods. Whether it's bullet journaling, mind mapping, or traditional outlining, find what works best for you. For lecture-heavy classes, try the Cornell note system. It helps you summarize key points. This method encourages active listening and critical thinking. In discussion-based classes, focus on jotting down different perspectives and your own thoughts. This will help you engage more deeply with the material and understand various viewpoints. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Clarifying doubts not only helps you but also benefits your classmates. Participate in class discussions. Sharing your ideas helps you learn and grow. Engaging with peers can provide new insights and deepen your understanding. High school is not just about individual effort, it's also about teamwork and collaboration. Group projects might seem daunting, but they offer invaluable lessons in collaboration. Working with others allows you to see different perspectives and problem-solving approaches. You learn to communicate effectively and work towards a shared goal. These are essential skills for success in any field or career.